Welcome back to Prodigy. Press the subscribe button and get more useful videos. Let's see the international certificate course from King's College London. So guys, this course is offered by King's College London. This is a top 5 university in London as well as in UK. So their courses are in the platform called Future Learn. So I have given the link in the description. Do check it. And this is about the college. So here is the courses. So totally they are offering 17 courses for free in this platform. So there are a lot of courses caring for people with psychosis, something like that, understanding drugs and addiction, science behind forensic science. So this course is free, but you won't get certificate. Also in the description check, I have given the courses and their link for which you will get the digital e-certificate. So there are a lot of courses for even for business management as well. This is a basic English to pre-intermediate level course. Entrepreneurship from business ideas to action. So that is one course for business management students as well as business guys. Preparing for an international health elective, exploring global health ethics. So you can see here another course. So do like this and you will see introduction to management, business management. Introduction to business management is one of the popular courses, getting more popular these days. Business management, it will be very useful. So let me show you how to enroll in these courses. So you can see all the details about the courses here, overview, topics, learner reviews. So everything is given there. Do check out. So let's see how to enroll here. Click on join now. So once you click on join now, you can register with Facebook if you want, or else give your name. Give you once you given the name, give your age. If you are 18 and above, give 18 and above, on your mail address. Once you have given the mail address, choose a password for your Future Learn account. So your Future Learn account will be created once you give the password and click on continue. Okay, now check these two boxes. You will be receiving mails if you have any other new courses. So read that and check, and now click on register. Once you click on register, you will be receiving a mail in your Gmail account which you given. So go there and check it out. You will have to verify your Gmail account. So verify your Gmail account and then come back here and click on save and go to the course. That's it guys, here we are enrolled in the course, created a Future Learn account. Check the description for certified courses. If you like this video, drop a like, comment if you need anything, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Let's meet in next useful video.